Hi, this demonstration will show you how to take the Flexible Learning Day content and add it to either your first block class or your ACE or Ignite class. So the first thing that you will want to do is to navigate to your school's content curation course. So here is the one for Bell Creek Middle School. And once you find the Middle School Flexible Learning Day folder, you will click on the gear icon and you will copy to courses. Once you do that, you will then select the course that you need to add it to. Again, your building leader and ITRT will specifically tell you which course to put it in. Again, either your first block course or your ACE or Ignite block. So I'm just going to simply put it into my test course for demonstration purposes right now. Select your course. Do not choose any folder because we want this folder to remain on the main materials page. Click copy folder again, and the content will be copied. Next, navigate to the course that you copied it to. It will appear at the bottom of your materials page. Again, you can leave it at the bottom, or if you would prefer, when you go to roll this out to your students, to move this up to the top, that's fine as well. Go ahead and click on the folder. You will notice that there are two folders, one for March and April. The April one is going to remain unpublished for now, but you will pretty much do the same exact thing once April rolls around. But I'll show you what you need to do for this March Flexible Learning Day first. Go ahead, click inside this folder. You will notice that there are 3 grade level choice boards, one for each grade, as well as an assessment or where students will log their student choice for Flexible Learning Day for each grade level. Now, you do not need all 3 grade levels, so you're only going to keep the ones that pertain to you. Of course, if you teach multiple grade levels, you will keep the ones that you need. So if you teach 2 grade levels, make sure you keep both those grade levels. You're going to delete these 2 things here that you don't need. So I'm going to say that I teach 6th grade. I'm going to go over here to the gear icon and delete the 7th and 8th grade choice board so I do not confuse my students. And then I'm also going to delete where they log their choice for 7th and 8th grade as well. Again, if you teach multiple grade levels, make sure you keep the ones that you need. Everybody, regardless of your grade level, will keep this assignment where they submit their Flexible Learning Day assignment and the optional discussion where they can share with their peers. Now, after you've cleaned up your folder, you will now need to edit the 3 assessments or 3 assignments here. So I want you to click the gear icon next to where they have to log their choice, and you're going to have to enter a due date. So the due date for when students need to log their choice is March 2nd. You will have to enter a time. You can enter 11:59 p.m. if you'd like. Make sure you enable submissions. You do need to choose a category so that this appears in your gradebook. You can choose one of the categories that you have or create a new grading category. I'm just going to call it FLD. And then you can click Save Changes. We're then going to edit where they submit their assignment and do the same thing. Choose a due date of March. For the assignment, the final project, they're actually going to turn this one in on March 10th. That's the due date. Choose your category. Make sure submissions are enabled. That should be highlighted there, and click Save Changes. And then I'm also going to edit the discussion. So once again, make sure you have selected March 10th. Select your time. Make sure to check the box for Enable Grading. You will then get your category where I will choose Flexible Learning Day and then click Save Changes. So you are all good and ready and set up. The next step would be to roll this out to your students using the video and other information provided to you. If you have any questions about how to set up your course in Schoology, please reach out to your ITR team. Thanks.